Amanye amagama waphuka uNkulunkulu wenziwa ngaphansi kwabantu, wenziwa ngaphansi kwey'ngelosi, wafana nehlazo ukuze thina singabi nalo ihlazo. Ngakhumbula Elizabeth encwadini kaJohane uthi ngisanjalo inkosi osuke yambheka ngalo ukususa ihlazo labo phambi kwabantu. UJesu phambaneni wayezosusa ihlazo labo. Glory to Jesus. Oh my God. Why are you just not putting up? I should not put it up. He never put it as a car to Adam or Eva. Oh, now I was on the repose of Tabak. But the spouse should have Papa. Put him on me. As Papa knows me. Because I am telling you something. Put him on me. Let him pray. When they get the sunshine, let him on me. He get a man so shy upon the lap. I am a sample. But me, I don't want me to match. And I will be why are they the match? But the way they perform, why will you pull you up? Why will you set this up? Why will you do this? Why are you pull you? As a very son, why are you pull you? As a lapo, why are you pull you? As very son. Jesus Christ. My God. What's your hand? Why can't you sleep? What to just my Peter Shaben? What to go down on the words in town to was to do the will of the Father. And let's get this happen, Shaben. What are you seeing on to and share them to do so much when who show Holy Spirit, who know your brain. I'm not about woman in the war. No matter what when who can get in a palliative way to my body from the chest. It just says I don't know to my salon. I want to have a better Alabama piece of land. They have a very proof, and it's not your proof. Who let us see your man? I want to understand it. I want us to the sample. Which never to have been ready. Then after the Sudan Eastern Cape, that's a 21 century. I don't understand it. Communication, he who drinks this water shall thirst no more. He is the comforter, He is the teacher, He is the healer, He is the redeemer. The Holy Spirit writes on God. Sing